What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick Bartel with Techno Warriors TV. I am the editor-in-chief, and welcome to the video unboxing of Skullcandy's Wicked, or wckd by Wicked Audio. Twin-in-one earphones that you can listen to anywhere. Now, you ever heard the term "have it your way"? Well, this thing came out a while ago, but guess what? I have never seen a headphone like this. This is the Wicked by Wicked Audio. As you can see, we have a plethora of things. You can either choose Bluetooth 4.0, I think it's 4.1, or it's most likely 4.1, and get 8 hours of battery life. Or you can do wired, which is really, really cool. And as you can see, the earphones are separate in here, okay? And they connect with these little things. Now, so let's take a look at this. And before I go on, I want to give a big shout out to Carson from Wicked Audio for sending these out to the show for us to review. So, left and right side, we get more features. Okay. Like Bluetooth plus wired, all that fun stuff. 6-foot cushion, dual drivers, noise isolation, mic track, wide range, high fidelity, enhanced bass, and rechargeable battery. So, some of these, holy crap, these are really, really, really good. So, on the back, you're going to see some cool features, like the Wicked 1 is actually the headphone's name. The Wicked 1 is an interchangeable dual 6mm driver sound system that can switch between Bluetooth mode that requires a battery and wired mode that is battery free. Okay. Mic track, volume control, neck lock, and dual drivers. So it still has that triple battery technology, keeping that battery safe from overcharge, overvoltage, and all that fun stuff. Now, so this is like, I think this is kind of like the Burger King of earbuds or earphones. So I'm going to go and open these for you guys by making an incision right along here as I scratch it. Hashtag fail. Okay. Gonna go and open this. There we go. Lift that up. And it's kind of like a flap, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see right here, we have a really thick micro USB to USB-A cable. The earbuds, or little ear tips, in a cool baggie. We have more of them. Okay. What the? Are those foam tips? Those are foam tips, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Alright, so as you can see right here, these two baggies will contain your different type of ear tips, and there's also foam tip headphones in there. And then we got your USB-C charging cable. Now, under here, we get even more. We get a really sharp looking pairing pouch for them, which are really amazing. Wicked Audio, Wicked 1 manual, and the earbuds themselves with their little things. This is going to be the Bluetooth module right here. And let me tell you, to get these free, they have a long cable. So, that, you know that tech lock thing? This one end goes into here. Now, this is actually where you're going to charge your earbuds. Okay, down over here. So when you're not charging them, they just go like that. And we'll show you more in the review. It's pretty cool actually, but this is really long. So this means, unfortunately, if you don't use the lock thing, you cannot play in charge. If you don't keep this on right here, you just let him free, you can't play in charge. Okay. But with these, you don't really need to play in charge. Over here, we have our tips for the wired one. And let me tell you, this is held in there really tight. I don't want to harm this, but look at the side. Look at this TPE style. This is not a TPE. This is some really tough material that they're using, ladies and gentlemen. That is one long cable. So as you can see here, look at this length of this cable, ladies and gentlemen. Then, other than that, we have the earbuds themselves in this housing. Then I'm just going to try to get out for you. One. Okay. There you go. I can just pull you out like that. And that is pretty much it. Set that over here. Okay. These are the earbuds themselves, and they look super, super cool. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you see all this stuff here, we got the pouches, we got all these accessories, including a charging cable, manual, ear tips, and the different cords you get for either Bluetooth or wired. So, okay. All right. So you can see we have all the Bluetooth stuff. As you can see, this one is actually more robust than the other one, which I kind of like. So yeah, they did a really good job, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video of the wckd1 from Wicked Audio. A big shout out to Carson from Wicked Audio for sending this out to the show. Be sure you stay tuned and ring the bell for the full video review. So subscribe and hit the notification button so you'll be notified when I post a video review. If you like this video, you know what to do. Strangle that subscribe button, slap it in the face, and pow! Right in the kisser.